What's up everybody, Ebrahim Mbokazi here, back with another educational video. On this video I'll be showing you a quick tutorial as to how to set up your Keplr wallet. Now make sure that you follow through as we move step by step. First thing is first, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification so that you will be notified every time when I upload any new videos on a daily basis. Now make sure that you click on the link that's in the description. It will take you directly to this page right here, and once you're on this page you can go ahead and click add to Chrome and then add extension. Could it be you are using Chrome or Brave browser? It will automatically download the extension and install it automatically. That should take a couple of seconds, and then from there it will be added onto your browser. And once that has been done, as you can see, Keplr has been added to our Chrome. Now we can click on this extension icon right here. Now we can see our Keplr wallet. Go ahead and click on the icon. So once you have clicked on the icon, this is where we will be setting up our wallet. You can go ahead and sign in with Google or create a new account. I would really recommend that you create a new account by using the seed phrase. This is our seed phrase right here. You can use a 12-word or a 24-word, but bear in mind that the 24-word is much more secure. But since this is just for educational purpose, I'm going to be using a 12-word. Now make sure that you write these words on a piece of paper, and make sure that these words are kept very secure and nobody has access to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write down these words right here, and then from there I'm going to name my account. Let's name it Test Wallet. And from here we are going to create a password, and make sure that it's a strong password that nobody can easily get access to. And then we're going to confirm it again. And once that has been done, we're going to click on next. As you can see, now this is where we need to put in the words in the same order that they had given us previously. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do this quick and fast. And once you have put them in order, now we are going to click on register. Once you have clicked on register, now your account or your wallet has been set up. As you can see, you're all set up, and then you can go ahead and click on done. Go ahead and click on the extension icon, and then click on Keplr wallet, on the Keplr wallet icon, and then from here, as you can see, it's going to open up again, and now we have our wallet which is already set up. Now bear in mind that on this wallet you can switch over onto different networks depending on which dApp that you are interacting with. As you can see, we have the Osmosis network, we have the Secret network, and all these other networks. As you could see right here, there's quite a lot of networks that you could use on this wallet. Now over here, this is where you can deposit some Atom. Let's just say you want to deposit Atom. Go ahead and click on deposit. You can scan this QR code. If you do not want to scan the QR code, you can go ahead and click right here, and the wallet address will be copied automatically. Let's just say you want to send some. You can go ahead and click on send. Then from there you can enter the address that you want to send to. And let's just say you want to interact with the Osmosis chain. You want to deposit some Osmosis. Go ahead and switch your network onto the Osmosis chain. As you can see, now we are on the Osmosis chain, and whichever network you switch to, you will see that it will also show you the native token of that particular network. So you can go ahead and test the wallet out and see how it works. On the next video, I'll be showing you how to stake your tokens using the Keplr wallet using different dApps. So make sure that you stick around for those videos. It's Ebrahim Mbokazi. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and I will see you on the next video.